Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video by Software Master. So in this tutorial, as the title shows already, I'm going to install or just going to make a bootable Ubuntu. No, it does not matter whatever is the version of Ubuntu you have, it's the same way. So what you're gonna do is open the browser. You need to go to let's go into do that from Google. So we're gonna type in here universal USB installer Linux, and it's the first link, which is over here, which is exactly this one. So what you're gonna do is go into, let's go down, and you will get the download UUI, which is Universal USB Installer. You're just gonna press on it, automatically start downloading over here on the left corner of the Chrome. So we will need to just copy this to the desktop over my desktop. We don't need the browser right now. Get this, it's the two files that we're gonna need. We wanna right click the universal, run as administrator, and here it is. It's the installer, it means the setup. So from the drop down, okay, here you want to choose the Ubuntu version that you want to install. Well, not Ubuntu, actually Linux, but there's a lot of versions like Ubuntu. We got Ubuntu, Kubuntu, what the hell are these? Black Ubuntu. These are the Ubuntu versions over here, as you see. And we got the Mint, we got the Debian, we got Fedora, we got OpenSUSE, Puppy, a lot of Linux versions, as you see, but my version is Ubuntu. So step 2, we want to browse the ISO. So we want to click on browse, we go desktop and go down until this is the ISO image. So when it turns on green, select USB FlashDrive. We're going to choose my set up. What the fuck is the file size for storing change? Okay, this we don't need. We want to format, and now we want to click on create. So we click create. Universal is ready to perform the following actions. There's like 5 actions that we want to do. All the Explorer windows are going to be closed. Formatting the USB drive, creating syslink MBR, creating UI, install Ubuntu. Click yes. I'll be right back when it's finished. So it's already finished and my USB is ready, which is called UUI, Universal USB Installer. Here it is, all the files are copied and ready to install. You can already install from an application over here, or you can just reboot your system and do the work. So what I'm gonna do is I can do this in 2 ways to show you. First way is to start the virtual box and just install the USB by doing a trick which I learned which exists or I already showed in my previous videos, my previous video, which you can check on my channel, which is called which is demonstrating how to create a Windows installation USB on any Windows machine with CMD and the test is on the Oracle VMware. So I'm going to proceed with the installation and be right back when the installation of the Oracle finishes. So guys, as I told you, I want to try the USB if it works, if it boots. This is the PLPPT. It's a shortcut for something. I just don't remember it, so sorry. Wanna run Oracle VMware VirtualBox. I wanna create a new machine. Call it Ubuntu. Linux Ubuntu. I guess that mine is 32-bit. Or actually, I have to check. Yeah, 32-bit. If you don't know what version you downloaded, the last two numbers here are the X. You know, you got the X64 instead of 86. It will be 64, but in mine it's 32, so it's 86. So I'll leave it like that. Go next. I'm gonna give it a little bit, a lot of RAM like that, 1.5 almost. I'm gonna create new VDI, dynamic. I'm gonna give it 40. Create. So we go and grab back when done. So guys, sorry again. So what we're gonna do is we press start and okay, but let me close that, power off. Now we go start. It's actually going to say no bootable medium found. Just want to power it off. Before starting the virtual machine, we need to go to settings, go to storage or display first. Want to enable 3D acceleration, give this a little bit more. Go to storage. You want to go over here, the empty slot. So you want to go over this. I'm gonna choose a virtual CD DVD disk. I'm gonna go over the desktop. I'm gonna go down to the over the PLPBT. It's boot something. I don't really remember, as I already told. There is only one disk image, so I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna press OK. And I'm gonna go over start. Now, in the virtual machine, we'll need a bigger screen. Or it's okay. First of all, I'm gonna click on devices, USB devices. You'll make sure that you choose your USB drive. Mine is SanDisk Firebird USB. So I'm gonna press it. As you see here, it's a second where it should be connected. Come on. It should disappear from here. With devices, USB open the time. Let's click it. Oh, here it is. Fill device to virtual machine USB device with is busy with previous request triangle. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll have to restart this. It won't do that, but I don't know why it's doing that right now. I guess that there's a little bit of issue. Let's open it. Okay, it is full. Okay, it looks like there's a problem with my virtual machine, so I'll be right back when everything is done. Actually, it was not a really big deal. It's only a problem with Oracle VMware. I had to run it as administrator and go ahead start. I'm gonna click on devices, USB devices, SanDisk, one click. That's it. So you wanna press inside the box, you wanna click on capture and right control the key that is a host key, which is and captures the mouse, which is just goes up without, in other virtual machines. So when I go down to USB, as you see, it will automatically detect the USB, and this is the Ubuntu installer. So what you're gonna do is, let's go to advanced, no, let's go back, without installing or install Ubuntu. So guys, whatever, we don't have much time to really do this, but I can make sure that it works. I already booted it into my system and into the virtual machine. And I guess that it's really easy. You don't have to do anything, the program will do it all. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and subscribing will really help me developing myself. So see you in the next tutorial.